Good morning, friends. Welcome to Techie Sam. It's been like 3 to 3.5 months. We are in this lockdown phase and we won't be able to gym, theater, and malls. And it is very disappointment for us to not go to that places which we like the most. But what we can do? It's the restrictions of the lockdown for betterment for us only. So it's like if we have some fitness gadget with us in the home, it will be great for us to do fitness activities, and it will also give us motivation because we spend some money on it. And today we having a fitness gadget with us, fitness equipment, I can say. It is a dumbbell. It is a 5 kg pair of dumbbells which men and women both can try it and do the many exercises of upper body exercises. Mainly we can do like push-ups and many type of leg exercises. We can also try it with this dumbbells. So we'll show you by quickly unboxing it and give you the quick review of this dumbbells which I ordered from the Flipkart from the seller RH Sports. It is stainless steel. It cost me around 700 by taking the shipping charges. So we'll give you the quick review and unboxing about this video. So we'll start it by opening it. So I'm opening it. It delivered me yesterday only. So this is our box and we got from the Flipkart, from the e-cart actually. I'm just unboxing it. Actually this packaging is very hard. It will be great for us if we having such type of gadgets in the home for a fitness activity. It is like a first gym equipment for me which I ordered, and I'm very excited about it. It is a 5 kg dumbbell. Actually, it is a pair of 5 kg. Actually, many times I tried 5 kg dumbbells in the gym only, but it's my personal experience. I am like facing it like this dumbbell is also 5 kg, but literally it feels like it is a more than 5 kg. So this is a dumbbell. It is very hard to unwrap it actually. Flipkart packaging is also very sturdy and good, I can say. So this is the dumbbells we are having, which is a 5 kg dumbbells, and as you can see, it is very sturdy. It is looking very nice. It is a 5 kg dumbbell pair. As you can see here, it is a 5 kg dumbbell. It is shiny at a part, and you can see here two lining of this stainless steel bar, and it is a holding chamber which we are getting in this dumbbell. It is very sturdy and it's looking very nice. So that's why it is named as stainless steel dumbbells which we are getting, as compared to PVC and rubber dumbbells. I prefer this type of dumbbells because it is very nice for holding it and for keeping it long lasting. I prefer this type of dumbbells mostly. And also you can see you can use various exercises. You can use these dumbbells for the various exercises if you do in day-to-day activities for the morning and for the evening. I can give you the link in the description box so you can check out that video for the dumbbell exercises for upper body, and it is very nice. I myself use that clip of the YouTube channel, and I prefer that you can also watch it and use it. So that's it for this video. It's been like almost 6 to 7 months I've not been uploaded any video in my channel. It's like around a long time I'm uploading this. So please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much. And in upcoming days, I'm also uploading the many videos regarding the fitness equipments. I'm also ordered many gadgets, many equipments from the Amazon. Hope it will deliver soon from the Pro Toner seller. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.